Hi friends, this is Narayana from Narayana Tech House Python Training Institute. So today let's talk about which course is better for a fresher. Means as a fresher, which course we should learn. Because in Ameerpet, lot of courses are there. But out of all, we should choose a correct course to learn. Then how to choose means very simple. In degree or BTech or MCA or MTech, there are some computer courses are there like C, C++, Java, .NET, Python like that. Means those courses required for freshers. Suppose in college, if you see any placement drive or campus placements, in that also they ask about maybe C, C++, Java, .NET, Python only, not about DevOps, data science, testing, or AWS or AI. No, nobody asks those things. That means the courses which you get in the college days, they are required for the freshers. All of you, okay? That's the actual thing. But what we do once the graduation over, we come to Hyderabad. Out of all the members, only 10% students only they get full information before coming to Hyderabad. Like which course is better, which institute is better, or which area is better. They get full information by asking their friends, their seniors, or lecturers, or parents, or else their neighbors, or if they know any employee, they ask all the people. Then they come to Hyderabad, they join the courses, and they get the job. That's one section of the people. The remaining 90% students are coming to Hyderabad, okay, then join the hostels and some days over. Later what they do, randomly they go to all the demos because all demos are free demos. Every institute provides 3-4 free demos for every course. So we go to all the demos. In the demo classes, that faculty will motivate very well, and they try to convince us, and they make us to join their batches. In that way, in that process, he will tell a lot of things about himself, like to attract the candidates. I am the number one in India, number one in Hyderabad. Okay, I trained lakhs of people. I trained hundreds of batches, thousands of batches. My students are there in all IT companies. My all students settled very well with highest packages. Like that, they tell all the stories to convince us. And also, suppose if you go to DevOps class, they say that DevOps is mainly designed for freshers only. Okay, so all can learn the DevOps class, DevOps course. Freshers can learn, experience can learn. And if you go to the data science, there also they say same thing only. The data science mainly for freshers only. Okay, all freshers can learn the DevOps. All experience can learn the DevOps. Like that, in every way they try to convince us. So by listening all their words, they will decide to join the batch. We don't think is it required for freshers or not. Simply by listening their words, we try to we decide to join their batch. So then we join their batch. Keep on going to the classes. They teach for a few days the basics of that course. After 10 days or 2 weeks, 3 weeks, then if we are able to understand, we continue that batch. Suppose those concepts are not understandable to us, then what we do, slowly we stop going to classes, and then we realize that okay, this course not for freshers, it is for the experienced persons. At that time we ask the surrounding people which course is better to me, maybe in the hostels or some neighbors like that, right? So if they know very well, then they tell you, are you a fresher, you go to either Java classes or Python classes or C, C++, like that, right? So at that time they are going to the language classes and joining the correct course. We are going to different other courses which are not required for freshers, and then there we are spending the money, we are spending that time right? So in this process, lot of time and money is wasting. That's why, so don't join the course without getting the knowledge, without inquiring about the course and institute. Don't join anywhere. Okay. So ask our friends, or our neighbors, our relatives, or the seniors mostly who settled well. Then take the decision which course is better for us.